Galing na ako sa harapan, kinuha ko na yung aking mga eggplant kasi hindi na siya tumutubo. Here's cherry tomatoes para sa aking mga residents at work. They love cherry tomatoes. Hi! I thought you're not going to join me. Bunny. Hi. No. I bet you that chipmunk is still under that water tank. That's why she goes around it, sniffing. She can smell it. Some are small, but a lot of them are big. I think this is two different kind of cherry. Look at this. See? I drop one. About here. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Alright, let's go. May dalawang roses. Pahabol before winter. Okay. Let's see if we have okra here ready to pick. Ang dami niyang okra, oh. Pero hindi pa siya ready. Ito mabilis din lumaki.